What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day because today we're finally putting an exhaust on the M4. I can't wait, guys. Today we're gonna head to a shop to get that fitted, but before we do that, let's go and take a look at the exhaust. Alright guys, here it is. Let's take off this bubble wrap. Sheesh. Alright guys, for those who don't know, this is an equal length mid pipe. So this is from a company called EuroTuned. It's a new company here in Ireland that sells aftermarket parts for BMWs, Audis, Mercedes, all the sorts. I'll make sure to link them at the end of the video, but huge shout out to them for this equal length mid pipe that we're gonna be installing on M4 today. These S55 engines have such a, I don't want to say bad sound, but they have a very raspy engine sound from factory. So basically what this does, so this will eliminate some of that rasp and give it a better tone. And of course, it'll make it a tiny bit louder, which we want. So let's go and load it up to the car and let's start heading to the shop. Alright guys, last startup of the stock exhaust. Also guys, if you didn't watch the last video, we installed this custom steering wheel from Charismo. I'm super happy with it. I think it looks really good. It feels really good as well. And yeah, and I will say guys, I do not expect to be building this car so quickly. Like I said, I don't have unlimited money. I'm not rich like that, but thankfully we've been given such amazing opportunities to build this car. I'm just super blessed. I'm super grateful. So yeah. Let's pull down the seats. Okay. Alright, there she is. Let's go. So we're here at PerfectCar all the way in Dundalk. The guy is doing my exhaust now, but I just said we'll just go around and check out some of the cars here. They have a bunch of cool cars here, so let's do a little walkthrough. First, I think this is a drift car. They've got an E46 M3. Ooh, that's crazy. In this kind of like yellow and red wheels. They have this W204 C63. Okay, in the sedan. That's fire. Wow. Yeah, that's cool. And then we have the owner's F80 M3 over there. I don't want to go over there just because, I don't know, he might not want us to be over there. But this one I want to see. This one is sick though. Look at this F90. Oh, it's got Silverstone interior as well. That's fire. These are nice cars. I'd love to have one of these, maybe. Yeah, it's nice. I like the carbon grille. That's a nice touch. This is a nice color. If I were to get an M5, I would probably get it in this color. It's so cool. Damn, I love this. This E46 is so cool. Here's the exhaust. These are all the parts that'll be sticking together. I'm just gonna put it up the ramp and get started. If I haven't mentioned already, this is actually resonated. So you see these resonators here. So this will help the car not have any drone, hopefully. That means it's not gonna be as loud, but at least it'll be nicer on longer drives. They've also got a bunch of exhausts hanging on the ceiling there. They're all, I think they said they were like either E46 or E90 exhausts. That's pretty cool. Look, they've got carbon diffuser over there. They've got so many front lifts. They have a lot of steering wheels. They've got a lot of few cool things just hanging on the wall here. It's quite cool. They've got some wheels up there as well. Yo, let me have those. Let me have those wheels. My guy's over there doing his thing. He's getting the stock exhaust off now. So here's the old exhaust coming off right now. I need to get some tips. The diffuser is hanging on, thankfully. You think they let us borrow the little bike there to go get some food? Everything is kind of far away from this shop. Really? So maybe if we could just Grab that bike, do a little bit of a little cycle to the shops. What do you think? Yeah, which one? The bike? Yeah. To go BMW bike. You actually see, so this is the muffler itself, and as you can see there's there's 3 resonators pretty much. You see the middle part, and there's 2 big bulges in the far side as well. This new system will have, that one's gonna be gone, and then the 2 big ones are gonna be like very small. It'll be a bit louder. Look how big the muffler is, bro. I wanna just chop that shit off.
Sorry, like
Bruh. We brought over the plastic stuff so it doesn't scrape on the ground, but I ended up fucking dropping it on the ground anyway. Alright, let's drag this bitch over.
classy.
That's crazy, it just opened up right now pretty much. They're just lining it up now so they can cut the muffler side. Yeah, they just have to cut from the mid-pipe, the stock mid-pipe to the muffler. They have to cut that part off. You guys also tune here? Yeah? Okay. With a boot mod, yeah. All right, because I might end up doing that soon, but I'm still thinking about what downpipes I want to get. All right, it's put together now. So now we're just gonna put it back together. Just gonna put it back on, and then yeah, it's heavy. Anybody look for a stock mid-pipe? I'm selling a stock mid-pipe from a S55, F80. Anybody wants it? 2,000? 1,000. 1,000. We gotta put this back in the car as well. Fitment is good. He's starting it from up there? It's a warm start. I think they're checking if there's any exhaust leaks. It sounds slightly different though. That sounds better. That sounds nicer. Sounds good. It sounds deeper. It has a nicer tone. It's not as raspy. And it has a little bit more, kind of has a bit more pops, a little bit. Of course, it's not going to be it's not going to be a lot louder, but it does sound better. It does sound less raspy. It's a lot deeper, which I like. I don't really like the high-pitched sound. Oh, I love it. It sounds so much better. Huge shout out to Thomas and the guys there at PerfectCar. They were such great guys to work with. Super nice guys. It took like what, an hour maybe? Yeah, I couldn't recommend them enough, guys. If you want to do any work to your cars, be it BMW or anything at all, make sure to go to the guys here at PerfectCar. They'll take care of you. They'll do you right. So yeah.
And for a good price.
Yeah, and they don't overcharge you like some shops do. The old exhaust is in the car and it smells. Alright guys, welcome back. So today is a new day. So it's been a few days now. Let's get a cold start with the new mid-pipe. I'm not expecting this to be crazy loud, but we'll see. Today we're actually gonna meet up with my boy Nato. I think that's how you pronounce his name. If I mispronounce your name, bro, my bad. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with my guy, better known as NSN on TikTok or Instagram. He's probably one of the biggest detailers here in Ireland. So yeah, he's gonna give the M4 a much needed detail. I feel like I haven't cleaned this car in ages just because it's so cold. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with my guy now. He's gonna give the car a quick clean. We're actually gonna try out a new product that I've been wanting to try out for a while now. I honestly feel bad because it is freezing, bro. Like, I don't know how these detailers do it, bro. I don't know how they work in the winter. Much respect to, big respect to these guys. It couldn't be me, guys. It's literally way too cold. Also, guys, he doesn't know this, but we're gonna give him a ride in the M4, and we're actually gonna let him drive the M4. So let's see how he thinks of it, and let's see if he approves of the new exhaust.
I'm driving.
You wanna drive?
No, man, I can't. No, I can't. That's fire. That's fire. Damn.
Have you been in the M4 yet?
I've been in the G82.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that one. But man, I like the F82, right?
Yeah, F82.
Yeah, I like the F82 better. But the G82 kind of grew on me though.
Man, they're crazy.
Yeah, they are crazy.
I actually went to view one last week. Just to like manifest and shit.
Manifest, yeah. Like
Yeah.
very short. Oh,
Wow, we're spinning.
yeah.
We're spinning here.
Yeah.
I wonder what the lyrics.
Oh, see the downshift? Oh, damn, that's fire, man. Crazy. Oh, oh my God.
This is my first proper drive as well with the new exhaust.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
Alright guys, we got my guy NSN in the building. He's gonna give the M4 a quick detail. This is his detailing van right here. I'm gonna just let him do his thing. I tried to get him to drive the car, but he didn't want to, so we just took it for a quick spin. The exhaust sounds so good. While we let Nato do his thing, we just received another package. I think this is from Carholics. Aha! I knew it. We finally got magnetic plates, guys. We got a set from Carholics. This is their quick plate. I just got one for the front of the car. Once Nathan's finished detailing the car, we're gonna put this on later. Finally, guys, we can rock it without a plate as shows. So while Nathan is still doing the interior, let's unbox our magnetic plates so we can install it before he does the exterior. So it's just a bunch of screws there and then these things. So this is what's gonna be connected to the plate, I think. I think these are the magnets there. Let me read the manual first before we start doing this. Yeah, it looks to be pretty simple. We're also gonna try out a new product that I got sent out to try. So this is PerfectCar. I'm sure you guys already know this brand. They've been popping off recently in Instagram and TikTok. So I want to try them myself. So we're gonna try out their pull-up towel. And we're also gonna try out their glow-up ceramic spray. Yeah, I've always wanted to try this. I've always wanted to see the beading on my car. So let's see how good this is, and let's also try out the pull-off drying towel. My guy's almost done. He's just rinsing off the car. Man, the car is looking spotless. Yo, Nato! Say hello! Make sure to follow my guy NSN as well. Make sure to hit him up.
give you a few shots. Do it again.
It's still warm. That's why.
All right, let me go rev it.
When it's cold, it's actually fun now.
Yeah, I see. Okay, rev it. You want to move it to the engine? Fuck that.
I wouldn't be actually.
Fucking dirty IS 200. Show him what's up. Oh, he's reversing. Hey. Oh, that shifts are crispy though.
Bro, I thought you were gonna move down the line, man.
Hey man, what do you do for work? What do you do for work, dude?
Nothing, bro. My teeth.
Why is there drugs in the back of your car?
Did your daddy buy this? Right.
Oh, man, the shots on.
Yeah, leave it there like that.
Stay.
That looks nice. It looks cool with the little roots in the back. Put the icons on. Just like, yeah. Get out of the car now, you're ruining it. Wait. Wait.
Oh, I can't run.
Damn!
Bro, take some pics there, though.
Yeah, take pictures.
There's a...
Yeah, alright, okay. Alright, I'll go home now. I'm gonna go home now.
Oh, it's ready, yeah?